Hello! Today we are doing the second part. So this was yesterday's nail that we did as part of a set that I designed on my tablet, this set. So yesterday we did that one, and today we're doing this one. I saw so this is Alaska. I said in yesterday's video that I didn't know who the tech was that gave me the inspo for this set. I've seen another person's done this sort of theme called Soph Rainbow Nails, I think. I'm pretty sure it's that person. Whether the person who I don't know the name of saw her set or vice versa, or there's just a whole bunch of these types of sort of designs out there, I don't know, but this be my take. So that blue is Boarding Pass. That had a cure, and I'm just doing some black here, Blackout, and just neatening up the shape of what is going to be an eye. And then that will have, I think, a flash cure. Oh no, I did this bit first, so just lining the top. My hands are so shaky. I don't know why. I think they're always, well, maybe they're not that bad always. It's not the most desirable trait in a nail tech. So that had a cure, and now I'm just popping some white down. So I'm going to do some rainbow colours inside the eye. So they'll just pop more if I do a white background. Making sure not to do it too thick so it doesn't bubble. And now taking black out, I'm doing we're going wibbly wobbly again. So the thought process here is wibbly wobbly. And I don't know if you can tell, but my camera lens needed a wipe, and I forgot to do it before I started filming. So this all looks like it's got a bit of a sort of shadow over it, but I do clean it, the lens, when it's in the lamp after the top coat. So stay watching till the end, because then you'll get to see how bright and funky it really is. Doing the black lines and then flash curing all these as I go, and just going in with the same colours we used yesterday. I will list them in the description below. The editing isn't that great. I've rushed through the editing. I'm rushing through this voiceover because I bought myself a helicopter. Not a helicopter. I accidentally said a helicopter when I was telling a friend about this, and now it's all that comes into my head when I say it. Bought a telescope. Slight difference. So that's arrived, and I'm super duper excited to get on with it. So I kind of edited this quite haphazardly, and yes, want to go and play with my helicopter. Can you imagine? I'd have a helicopter to commute to work from my bedroom to the room upstairs where my salon is. Go up to the helipad. So all the colours looking nice and bright now, and then we chuck in the next colour, which just takes it to another level, because the next colour is Bubblegum, and then suddenly it goes from bright and funky to Holy Mother of Thor, that is bright. I love this colour. I don't wear pink. I'm not a pink girl. I don't have any pink clothes. I never wear pink on my nails, but I love the colour. And this one in particular, I use it in quite a lot of my videos because it's just insane. It's just such a cool colour. So that's Bubblegum. The purple is Violet Vibes. The orange is Summer Peach. The blue is Boarding Pass. The yellow is Picalilli Circus. And the green is Palm Beach. So just flash curing this as I go, popping the colours in. I thought that needed a bit of brightening, so just ran some Alaska through some sections. Again, wibbly wobbly. And then I'm going to do like we did on the nail yesterday, just pop some dots and bigger dots and star type shapes. Or we're going for the star look, but they're not great stars. And then just doing some dots everywhere. And dots, I found with this nail, the second you start adding teeny tiny dots everywhere, it just looks so much more intricate than it actually is. So it's such an easy way to create an intricate look without really doing much at all. I pop some, yes, you've just made that much worse, you moron. So popping some of the tiniest dots in the world down the centre there. Certain things have certain noises in my head, and even when I'm doing this sort of thing on a client, when I'm doing them, I'll be like, doo, 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 doo. And like things have different noises, and bigger dots are more kind of like, you know, no, just it might just be me. So just outlining the eye here with Blackout, and giving him a pupil. Why the him? Why is it him? The flower yesterday was a him. I don't know why. This can be a her. Giving her some rainbow colours in her eyes. And I kind of mess up the one of the bits in a minute, but sort of rectify it. I think I'm my own worst critic. I can look at any set of nails I've done. Have a look on my Facebook page. That's where most of my pictures are. I'm not trendy enough to keep up with Instagram. I might post like a whole bunch every 6 months, but Facebook's where all my pictures are. I find the mistakes in everything that I do. But I don't think clients or other people looking from afar do. So there's a great big gap between the orange and green there. Don't know why. Didn't see it until now. Neatening up the pupil, giving him a little a little bit of a reflection in the eye, and topping with diamond gloss. And there you go. Super bright. See, now you can see how bright it is because I cleaned my bloody camera. Oh, I must remember to do that each time. I hope you like this video. There's yesterday's one, so it's part of that set. I will be doing another one. I'll probably film it tonight and post it tomorrow as part of this set. Subscribe to my channel for more. Thank you so much for watching. Tune in tomorrow for the next bit. See you later. Bye-bye.